Who loves Happy Mail? Comment below how much you love Happy Mail. Hi, I'm Shanna, and I've got a pile of packages to open from Mary Kay. So we'll do them in one cute little video at a time. So every year, one of my favorite perks of being a sales director with Mary Kay Cosmetics is a Christmas gift in the mail and a Christmas card. This is from Mary Kay Ash's grandson, Ryan Rogers, and your Mary Kay family. May the sweetest gifts of the season be yours. So yeah, that's Mary Kay Ash's grandson, now the CEO of our company. So we get a cute little card and a Christmas ornament that is a surprise of what it's going to look like every year. So, how fun is that? And I'll do a video because it's way after Christmas at this point. So, I'm not going to ruin the surprise for any of my friends. So, this says Happy Holidays from Mary Kay. Oh, look how cute. That is so much fun. So, this it has a protective film on both sides. It looks foggy. So it'll be all crystal clear when I peel that off. How satisfying is that? The peeling off of the film, right? But this is the new pink Cadillac that is no longer gas powered. It's now electric. Crazy. Okay. There's one side. How pretty is this car? I saw her in person at seminar last summer. They had the car. Oh, look how pretty. She is a sexy beast in person. Like, if a car could be a sexy beast, which obviously they absolutely can, this car is fabulous. Like I said, got to see it in person last summer as they were showing it off. It's like the new model of the Cadillac. What is the XT5? I don't know, but it's the electric version of our iconic pink Cadillac. Um, I can't wait to drive one. I've had the gas powered one, but an electric one? What do you even do? Do you have to get your own charging station? Like, I've never driven an electric car. So if you have, let me know. What do you do? Like at the gas pump, at the gas station where you go get your car plugged in instead of getting gas? Like, how long does that take? Do you pay for that? Like, is that free? Like, what? Tell me all the details. So curious because obviously I'll be driving one of these soon. She's a beaut. So I get to add her to my tree. I think I have 10 of these. Have I been a director 10 years? I think I have 10 ornaments. I'll have to go count them to see. But a new one every year, and it's always so much fun. So, one of 12 billion perks of being a sales director with Mary Kay. You should try it. If you've got questions, let me know. I'm here for you. Okay, bye.